everyone, I welcome you all to the series of From Where We Are to Where We Want to Be. The 13 mantras are definitely going to change your life, the mantras that will groom up your personality, and the mantras that will boost up your confidence. Right? So I request you all to please don't miss any video, don't miss any video, because to take maximum benefit out of it you have to be continually connected with me. The first mantra जो हमने आपके साथ शेयर किया था, that was your value your own self, appraise your own self, analyze your own self, right? The second mantra I'm going to share with you, it's also very common and very rare one. Why I'm saying very common and rare one, हमें बचपन से सिखाया जाता था जब हम किसी से कोई चीज़ लेते हैं से थैंक यू, जब हम किसी से कोई काम करवाते हैं से थैंक यू. And why I'm saying very rare one, because you are appreciating others by saying thank you, by greeting them, right? And the one important thing we always miss is to say thank to your own self. Say thank you for a healthy life, say thank you for the opportunities, say thank you for the people around, say thank you for the hardships in your life. You heard it very right. Say thank you for the hardships in your life, because that hardships definitely grooming your personality. जब भी मुश्किलें आपके साथ आती हैं, you will increase your strength. जब भी आपको कोई difficult opportunity मिलती है, you will say no, I can't do it. The time you said I can't, that means you can never do it. So say thank you for all the hardships you are facing in your life, because thanking your own self is appreciating your own self is the best thing you can do it. So one more thing is, never ever curse anyone. One point of time you are saying thank you to others and thank you to your own self, and other point of time you're cursing the God, you're cursing the other people for facing hardships in your life. That means you've started playing a blame game. You're putting the blame of not facing the hardships in your life to others, the most and worst part of your life. When you started playing a blame game, that means you have stopped the doors of your growth. And when you stopped the doors, when you closed the doors of your growth, that means stopped your life, stop the career. So to grow yourself, to polish yourself, appraise yourself, say thank you to your own self. And very small tip I'm going to give you here is, when you're going to say thank you to anyone, instead of saying thank you, make a note of it. Right? Make a note of it, like आपने WhatsApp पे कुछ आपको अच्छे से लाइन से टाइप करके भेज दिया है, आपने उनको कोई ड्राफ्ट करके भेज दिया है, आपने भी पेपर पे कुछ लिख के भेज दिया है, saying thank you, because little things become memorable for your whole life. आपको किसी से कोई अप्रिसिएशन मिलती है, इंस्टेड ऑफ थैंक यू तो हम मतलब इट्स अवर रूटीन टास्क, आपको किसी से अप्रिसिएशन मिलती है इन अ रिटन वे, आपको किसी से अप्रिसिएशन मिलती है इन अ फॉर्मल वे, यू फील हैप्पी एंड इट बिकम्स रिमेम्बरेबल फॉर योर होल लाइफ कि येस समवन हैज अप्रिशिएटेड मी फॉर माय वर्क. Right? Got it? So the first mantra was to value your own self. The second mantra, also related to your own self, is be thankful to your own self for what you have done in your life. Hope you all liked the video. Hope you all like to apply this your own self, and please give your reviews on the comment box that what improvements we can do, what other things we can add on, and hope you all liking it. Thank you so much. Keep loving yourself. Spread happiness around.